Good morning, welcome to the second Vlogmas. You guys, I could not fall asleep last night or like stay asleep, I don't know. I have a brand campaign that I really want to do this morning before I go to work, so I got up a little bit earlier so I have time to do that. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the gym this morning. We'll see. That might need to be a either at home thing or an after work thing. If you haven't watched Vlogmas 1, definitely go watch Vlogmas 1. Basically, I ordered this Christmas tree to come on November 24th, so it would come early. It's December 3rd. They've said it's gonna deliver every single day and it just doesn't. Anyway, they said it was coming today. Keenan just texted me this morning and goes, do not look at the tracking. I'm already on the phone with them. I'm already DMing with the shipping company because I have a feeling that now it says that it's gonna come tomorrow. I'm just trying to celebrate Christmas. Anyway, Christmas tree rant over. There's literally nothing I can do about it. Let's get ready for the day. I have to show you guys the campaign that I'm doing today. I'm doing it with Lounge and it is the cutest little set. Please look at the detail in that. Is that not just the most gorgeous thing ever? So Christmassy. I had to go with the blue. It is just the most gorgeous detailing lace you've ever seen. I'm so obsessed. It's so cute. So that's what we're shooting today. I think I'm first gonna have some breakfast and wake up a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my hair, do my makeup, and then we're gonna shoot. I'm also not letting myself scroll because if I start scrolling, then we have a chance of not being ahead of schedule, and I want to be ahead of schedule today. Hair and makeup is done. I have an hour before I need to leave for work, which I feel like is perfect. I feel like that's enough time to film what I need to film and change for work. I just did my regular T3 micro curling iron. I believe it's a 1-inch barrel. The T3 micro curling irons are the best. And then I just did a kind of a pinky toned makeup look. I just thought it would look really cute with the baby blue. That's what I did for getting ready. I'm gonna quickly just check the brief again just to make sure I have it fresh in my mind and I don't forget anything. I've also been listening to Tate McRae the whole time getting ready. I got my Apple replay yesterday and it literally had Tate McRae for everything. It was most listened to song was Tate McRae, most listened to album was So Close to What, top artist was Tate McRae. Everything was Tate McRae. I was oh, her music is the only music that sounds good right now. It's when you listen to a new song and nothing else scratches the itch like that song. That's how her whole album is. And then she just came out with the deluxe, and the deluxe is just so beautiful. That and Christmas music. I literally switched between the two. Christmas music or Tate McRae, there's no other option. I am getting ready for work right now. I have about 8 minutes till I need to leave. I have it on right now. I'm literally just gonna show you guys this. If you want to see the whole set, go to my Instagram or even my YouTube shorts, but this is kind of what it looks like on, just so you can see, and it is literally the most gorgeous thing ever. I'm gonna be so honest, I never really thought that I would be one to be posting lingerie on my social media. It just was something I never really thought that I would do. The reason why I do it with Lounge is because it's so much more than just lingerie. It literally is art. How beautiful the pieces are and how intentional everything is in the set. They're so beautiful. I've never had lingerie or even just regular underwear make me feel so confident, so beautiful. It's not really something that makes me think oh, I'm wearing this for someone else. I always think I'm wearing this Vlogmas for me. Like, it just makes me feel so confident and so beautiful. I'm obsessed. Every single time my jaw is dropped by just how dainty and beautiful and girly and feminine these sets are. Like, they're just so worth it in my opinion. That is why I do it. Oh my gosh, my earring just came off. But anyway, I have to quickly get ready, but I just wanted to explain to you guys because there's no other lingerie brand I would want to partner with, because I really just feel like there's no one else out there that does it like Lounge. That's the tea. Let's go to work. Hello, it's Friday evening, December 5th. I'm back with more Christmas tree lure. Clearly, the tree hasn't come in yet. It said yesterday that we can go pick it up and that they're only gonna hold it for 5 more days. We're on day 2 of that 5-day hold and we do not have time the rest of the week to go and pick it up. So today has to be the day that we go and get it. The only thing is Keenan's at work, so I'm the only one that can get it. It also takes an hour and a half to get there. I want this tree so bad. Like, I feel like it doesn't feel like Christmas without a tree. Is that just me? I don't know. If you want something done, you have to do it yourself. So I'm trying to schedule it at a time, so by the time I'm there, and if I do get the tree, then Keenan can come after work to help me. I'm not even gonna put the option that I don't come home with this tree out there. I'm coming home with this tree today and I'm decorating this tree tonight, okay? It's time for a tree. We need a tree for Vlogmas. I promised people I would vlog my experience of trying to haul this tree home on public transportation in the Netherlands, and I keep my promises, okay? I'm going to be filming this portion of the vlog on my phone. I need you guys, everyone pause right now and pray for a Christmas miracle, okay? Christmas miracle, I'm gonna come home with the tree. Everything is going to work out perfectly. I also looked up how expensive it would be to Uber home from the pickup location, and it was over 200 euros to Uber home. I'm so nervous that this is gonna be a disaster and an absolute waste of time, but I want my tree. Having my last little bit of coffee to motivate myself. I have a few minutes to bundle up. I'm bundling up because the weather outside also does not look promising that it'll be on our side, but I'm hopeful. Come on, Santa. Please, a Christmas miracle. I'm gonna go and begin my journey. You guys, a Christmas miracle has happened. I got there, they had the tree, they brought it out and they were like, where's your car? Like, how are you getting it home? Luckily, one of their drivers was going in the same direction. So he pulled over and grabbed my package and he's gonna drive it all the way home for me. I'm so happy that I don't have to carry the package all the way home on public transportation for an hour and a half. I think we just got like the biggest Christmas miracle that they just had someone personally drop it off. I just got home and the tree is here. Our Christmas miracle has been granted. Shout out to the FedEx driver who hand delivered it himself. I just can't believe it. In the spirit of Vlogmas, and you guys know what that means, there's nothing else to do but get to decorating. How insane was those few clips? As I was editing, I just couldn't believe that I literally manifested how perfectly that whole tree situation would go. I honestly couldn't be happier, and I'm so grateful for that driver to drop off the tree even though he was just off the clock. Like, that was so kind and made my life so much easier. So I'm so grateful for that, and it's beautiful, it's perfect, I love it. So I'm very happy. But I wanted to end out Vlogmas 2 because I'm about to start Vlogmas 3, and it's gonna be so fun. I'm going out and about in the city, and I'm gonna show you guys Amsterdam during Christmas time, so I'm just really excited to bring you guys along. Definitely stay tuned, subscribe if you aren't, and I will see you guys in about 2 days. Bye.